Using the vitamin BW built-in contrast enhancement. Now you must understand in deep how vitamin creates its contrast. We learned that vitamin converts in black and white first and then add the contrast. The algorithm used is similar to the one of Next, with a significant difference. It works in auto-radius mode. In this way, when applied to a large or small file, the result is very similar. Look, full size, 4 times smaller, 16 times smaller. Same settings. As you can see, there's virtually no difference. This auto-radius feature is a significant advantage of vitamin and guarantees quality, speed, and ease of use, but sometimes may be not flexible. Let's see now the auto-radius at work. Let's try triple tone to start. No filter. Orange. It is very nice. And blue. No, blue is not good. Orange is the best one. Let's navigate it. It's really very, very beautiful. So, to resume, vitamin in general will deliver a very good result. But if you need something more flexible or you have halos problem, please jump to the next tutorial. Bye bye.